Good morning, class. It's Tuesday, May 8th, and this is your introduction and overview of what we're going to be doing today. So we do have a whole class Google Meets at 9:30 this morning, and I hope to see you there. We're going to have a story, and we're going to do a beautiful drawing of a fox today, and that's going to go with an Indigenous story that you're going to hear tomorrow in our Listen to Reading. Today, we're going to be reviewing some new words in our spelling, and the words are like, him, into, time, and has. And then I suggest you use rainbow writing, but of course you can go ahead and use tiles, magnetic letters, Play-Doh, pipe cleaners, fancy letters, or body spelling, any way that you'd like to practice your words. Remember, we're going to have 5 new words every day while we practice, and then a test at the end to see how many letters you get from the beginning, middle, and end of each word for only 10 of those words. We're going to listen to a story by an Indigenous author called Byrd Baylor, and the story is called Everybody Needs a Rock. So I challenge you, my friends, today to find your perfect rock after you listen to our story, because in our writing, we're going to do some descriptive writing where we describe our rock. We're going to look at the size of it, the shape of it, the color, the weight of it, maybe how big it is, and we can measure the length or the width. Where did you find it? How did you store it? Where are you going to keep it? And what do you think you might do with it? And some of the things that we're going to do in writing today. In calendar, we look at the special days that are in May, and you'll notice that in the number of the day, which is number 13, something wonky happened to my recording, and it ended right as I was finishing my picture of the number 13. So you can go ahead and finish your number of the day page on your own, or you can watch the part 2 video. That's just the short part that's going to do the number bonds, part, whole, and equations for the number 13. So you can either finish that up on your own, or you can put on the second part of that video and do that with me while we're working together on our number of the day. In our math lesson today, we're practicing addition and subtraction, and I've posted a board for you called a Noggle board. It's kind of like the game Boggle with letters, where you get letters connecting together to make words. In this case, it's numbers, and you put the numbers that connect together to make addition and subtraction equations. I show you how to do it with a board I wrote just on my whiteboard, but then I did post for you 4 option boards that you can do 1, 2, 3, or 4 of them if you love them. You can copy them onto your whiteboard and just do your circles and equations there and snap a photo, or you can print them if you have access to a printer and circle them right on there, but you still have to list your equations, the addition equation and the subtraction equation for each set of 3 numbers that you find in a row that make equations. That's all that we have for work today. Please remember to take some time, find a comfortable spot, curl up with a good book, and read to yourself. You can read the words, you can tell a picture story, or you can retell a story that you remember. Read to somebody else, and take some time to listen to reading. I hope you enjoy the story Everybody Needs a Rock by Byrd Baylor. It's one of my favorite stories, and enjoy the artwork. Is kind of amazing as well. So have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you in our Google Meets.